Yo guys, back again to the Binance lecture material. So this time we will discuss the functions of the complete Binance application on the dashboard. Then in the features, in trade, in the markets, everything, and we will review one by one completely and in detail. We will discuss first from the common function to the others. Okay, for this lecture material is Binance Launchpool. So what is Binance Launchpool? Simply, BIN is specifically for tokens that want to be listed. So for new tokens, they are usually in the Launchpool or on the Launchpad. This is one of them, namely the Launchpool. So we can get free tokens like this. ISXT, which is currently still ongoing. You can click log more, you can log BNB or FDUSD or USDC. Well, for example, if you log 1 BNB, then in 1 hour you can get around 0.1171 XXT. So by logging certain tokens, for example BNB, locking FDUSD, locking USDC or other tokens that at that time we can lock when there is a launchable project, then we can get coins that are currently in the launch pool. Well, yesterday there was Hyper, there was Sign, there was Santo, and currently there is SXT, and you can also turn on notifications, so if there is a launch pool tomorrow you won't miss the launch poll. If you want to join, you can click participate or logs more, then you click what do you want to log. Here, do you want to log BNB, COFT, USD or USDC? You just click one of them. For example, how much USDC do you want to log? I only have 0.2 USC. Then, if you have, just click confirm. Successfully participated. Airdrop tokens will accumulate. It's very complicated to claim your airdrop. So later, by logging certain coins, you can get the coins that will be listed. The coins that are listed on Binance Launchpool or on Binance Launchpad.